Hi guys, welcome to the new tutorial on today we'll be discussing about uh, how to print even numbers in C++. C++. So we'll be discussing how to print this even numbers. So we'll open this code blocks. We'll go to file, we'll go to new, we'll go to empty file. So here first of all we have to save our file with control S or go to file and click on save as and name your file as even. So now I'm going to define the header files. So I'll write hash include stdio.h and hash include kona.h and then man. Inside my man function I have to write a variable name int a and I have to initialize it with 0. So I have to give a printf command. So I want users to enter any number. So be we have to define whether this number is even or odd. So I have written enter any number and I have to scan this number with a percentage d sign and comma m% of a. So I have to save that number into the address of a. Now I have to check whether the number is even or odd. So if we'll be writing an if condition if a percentage m% sign 2 equals to 0. If this condition holds, the number is true or even. The number is even, else I have to print it out that the number is odd. Now get ch and bracket close and save again. So I will go to file, I'll go to build and build. It's compiling now. My program is correct, so it got no errors and no warnings. Now I have to go again to build and click on the one. Now what I have to do is I have to give it a number. Let's say I'm giving it 5. So it is saying that the number is odd and program completes. Now again run this program and this time I'm going to give it an even number so it will give you the number is even. That's all about today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to comment, write and subscribe to our channel Nelson Darwin PocTech and click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you.